this is what it's gonna look like. I'm excited. Over the last 5 years, I've been trying to get like a space to do a school, but I said, you know what, I don't want to do a school because it's more effective to have where people in the community, they don't have as many restrictions to come and do different activities. Yeah. I don't want, mainly you see me, hey, how y'all doing? But I'm very emotional. I'm a very emotional person. And then I just try to like, cause I know work has to get done, so you usually put that in the back burner. You go home, do what you need to do, cry, whatever. But for the most part, like I'm very grateful. Yeah, that's what I really
We're grateful for you.
I'm like, oh my God.